Okay, got tornado warning. Wells County, only tornado warning up today. That's the only lowering I see. Got a precip and hail shaft to my west. I'm keeping an eye on that thing right there. I don't see any rotation at this time. I've been reporting to focal point, Fort Wayne, 14688. I don't see anything really to report right now, but that's the lowering I want to watch. If there's any rotation in it. So I'm going to have to pause it here because I'm really going to have to keep an eye on that and the road. So I'm probably going to be overtaken with this precip shaft here really soon. So I want to get it in here real quick. That's what I'm watching.